Wait, what was that? The BuzzFeed thing?
Yeah, Bernie is publicly...
Bernie's making this. Bernie is so
Hell yeah.
on this right now.
About
It's
a month
amazing.
ago, BuzzFeed News Union, we shared news about our progress toward recognition of our union. But since then, the company has dragged its feet and failed to address some of our most pressing concerns. It's now been 112 days since we went public. The BuzzFeed and Bernie retweeted this with a comment. Let's not forget the middle class was built by organized labor. I'm very concerned to see the BuzzFeed still hasn't recognized the union formed by its newsroom employees. Our Workplace Democracy Act will put an end to corporations getting away with these stalling tactics. I mean, this is so much of unionization is the process is stymied by administrative issues. And so much of this can be addressed on some level with just the National Labor Relations Board, but also legislation that basically just changes the methodology in which people unionize. And you don't need to come out with the legislation that says, unions are automatic or unions are prohibited to have to basically dictate the destiny of unionization. I mean, one of the things about the Taft-Hartley Act that makes it so difficult to unionize are these sort of like artificial roadblocks that are put up there and things that sort of create a structural context that weaken the union movement in this country. And they have been exacerbated over time. We're going to have, I think, I'm not sure when they come up, National Labor Relations Board appointees. But at one point, it's possible, I think maybe even in this term, I'm not sure, Donald Trump is going to be able to appoint and have a majority of Republicans on there again and then forget it. This is going to be a crap show.